All right, let's dive right into our next college. We're looking at Sivaji College of Engineering and Technology. This one's located down in Kanyakumari, and for all of you going through TNEA counseling, the code you'll need for this college is 4938. Keep that number handy.
So, what are the key things you need to know about this place? Well, for starters, it's a self-financing college, and it's affiliated with the big one, Anna University in Chennai. It's been around since 2009, so it has a solid track record.
Okay, first up, let's cover the college's basic identity. All right, let's break this down a bit more. As we said, it's a self-financing institution founded back in 2009. You'll find it in Vilavancodu Taluk, right in the Kanyakumari district. The affiliation, of course, is with Anna University Chennai. Now, this is important for admissions. It's all through TNEA. What does that mean for you? It means 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, and the remaining 35% are through the management quota.
Next up, and this is probably what you're most interested in, what can you actually study here? Let's look at the approved undergraduate programs.
So here are the AICTE approved branches they offer. You've got civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, and of course, mechanical engineering. You'll notice they're really focused on these core fundamental branches of engineering, and each one has an approved intake of 60 students.
So when you do the math, that adds up to a total of 300 approved undergraduate seats. This gives you a really good idea of the batch size you'd be joining. It's a fairly focused group.
Okay, moving on to some of the practical stuff. For all you parents and students looking at this college from outside Kanyakumari, this next part is for you: hostel and transport.
Good news here, the college does have permanent hostel facilities, and they're available for both boys and girls. That's a huge plus for families for sure.
And of course, the big question, what about the food? Well, the mess facilities have you covered, with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options available.
Now, if you're a day scholar, you'll be glad to know there are college transport facilities available. And the key thing to remember is that it's optional, so you can decide if it works for you or not.
All right, let's talk about some other important aspects, like financial aid and any notable distinctions the college has.
The college supports students in applying for a number of government scholarships. So if you're eligible, you can look into the SC/ST tuition fee scholarship, the BC/MBC/DNC scholarship, and the First Graduate Scholarship. There's also the Post-Matric Scholarship for OBC students and the Minority Scholarship.
And here's something recent that stands out. On March 15, 2024, the college actually hosted a national conference. It was focused on sustainable engineering and management, which really shows they're engaging with some very current and important topics in the industry.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today has been carefully gathered from the college's own official website and other trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12 to engineering decisions.